According to footage released by the North American Aerospace Defense Command, a Russian Su-35 fighter jet nearly collided with a U.S. military aircraft during an intercept mission. NORAD described the actions of the Russian fighter reckless as Russian Su-35 flew dangerously close to a U.S. aircraft conducting a routine patrol. India is advancing its tactical missile capabilities by improving the range, accuracy and lethality of the Pralay ballistic missile. The missile is equipped with a solid-fuel rocket motor and follows a quasi-ballistic trajectory, allowing it to perform mid-air maneuvers using a maneuverable re-entry vehicle to avoid detection and interception by anti-ballistic missile systems. The Russian military has received a new batch of Courier unmanned ground vehicles. The Courier drone can be equipped with a wide range of armaments, including automatic grenade launchers, RPGs, anti-tank guided missiles and 12.7 mm heavy machine guns, making it a highly versatile platform for frontline operations. Turkish company STM announced the successful test of a new model of the Kargu kamikaze drone equipped with an armor-piercing warhead. This innovation enhances the capabilities of the Kargu loitering munition widely used in counter-terrorism operations and special missions by Turkish and foreign forces.